Insert an element at a specific index in a list, and return the updated list. I have this. Is there a way I can get the updated list as the result, instead of updating the original list in place?
The shortest I got, b equals a column 2, plus 3, plus a 2 column.
L.insert index of doesn't actually return anything. It just updates the list. As Otto said, you can do b equals a column index plus of plus the index column. However, another way is
most performance efficient approach. You may also insert the element using the slice indexing in the list. For example, for inserting multiple elements together at a given index, all you need to do is to use a list of multiple elements that you want to insert. For example, to know more about slice indexing, you can refer, Understanding Slice Notation. Note, in Python 3.x, difference of performance between slice indexing and list.index ... is significantly reduced and both are almost equivalent. However, in Python 2.x, this difference is quite noticeable. I have shared performance comparisons later in this answer. Alternative using list comprehension, but very slow in terms of performance. As an alternative, it can be achieved using list comprehension with enumerate too. But please don't do it this way. It is just for illustration. Performance comparison of all solutions. Here's the time-like comparison of all the answers with list of 1000 elements on Python 3.9.1 and Python February 7, 2016. Answers are listed in the order of performance for both the Python versions. Python 3.9.1. My answer using sliced insertion, fastest, 2.25 ms per loop. Rushy Panchal's answer with most votes using list.insert ... second, 2.33 ms per loop. Adistoa's accepted answer based on merge of sliced lists, third, 5.01 ms per loop. My answer with list comprehension and enumerate, fourth, very slow with 135 ms per loop. Python February 7, 2016. My answer using sliced insertion, fastest, 2.09 ms per loop. Rushy Panchal's answer with most votes using list.insert ... second, 2.36 ms per loop. ADISTO is accepted answer based on merge of sliced lists. Third, 4.44 μsec per loop. My answer with list comprehension and enumerate. Fourth, very slow with 103 μsec per loop.
The cleanest approach is to copy the list and then insert the object into the copy. On Python 3 this can be done via list.copy. On Python 2 copying the list can be achieved via new equals old column. This also works on Python 3. In terms of performance there is no difference to other proposed methods.